Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode coming up. First up, Appies with Chappie by the lake. Check it out.
Appies with Chappie by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today I have for my appetizer some cheeseburger pizza. See here how I made it. And we need a drink to go with my cheeseburger pizza, so I'm going to make a Humuhmunukunukuapua'a. Yeah, I said it. That's the name of the drink, a Humuhmunukunukuapua'a. So I'm just going to build it over ice. Obviously, it's a Hawaiian drink. Alright, and I'm getting this recipe from Smuggler's Cove by Mai Tai. And it was created by Marovaldo Dionysos. 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of orgeat, that's just the almond simple syrup, and 2 ounces of gin. And 2 ounces of Peychaud's bitters. Give that a little stir. And I got some nice citrus garnish. And that's a Humuhmunukunukuapua'a to go with my cheeseburger pizza. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a new episode every Friday, so make sure you hit that notification bell. And this is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.